loves, how are you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. This is Tinola. This is me. This is us. Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be taking you guys through African Nigerian grocery haul. Right now, I'm on my way from Toronto to Brampton to pick up my package. I got some African foodstuffs from Nigeria, all the way from Nigeria. Yay! So I'm gonna take you guys through everything, show you guys what I got, the costs if you're considering getting something from Nigeria to Canada, take you guys through the shipping process, the shipping company, the options on ground. And yeah, if you're new to the channel, you are welcome. This is Tinola right here. On this platform, I share mostly content on beauty, wellness, and lifestyle. Also, I do live streams every Sunday, 2 p.m. Games and giveaway. You guys can check it out. You guys can join. It's free for everyone. Basically, I upload videos every week. I'm not gonna bug you guys with my notifications, so feel free to subscribe to the channel and turn the notification bell on so that you guys can get more content from my channel. It's completely free, so why not? How are you doing today, by the way? How is it on your side of the world? Comment down below. How are you guys doing? How are you guys feeling? Are you excited? Are you just anyway, it's a Saturday here and the weather is so beautiful today. It's actually so beautiful. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Hope you guys are keeping safe. Please wash your hands, sanitize if you can. Also social distance as much as you can and use your mask. Guys, it's important. Mask, use your mask. It's very important. Please, let's stay safe. I love you all. This is what it looks like today. Can you see the weather? It's so beautiful. Oh, it's going to feel right now. Such a beautiful weather. Oh my god, I'm in love. Alright guys, we are here. We've gotten to the place for pickup. So apparently we're supposed to meet at Lowe's parking spot and we're here now. I'm going to call the number to pick it up. Calling.
Hello?
Hi, I'm here to pick up my package.
Alright, I'll be there within 10 minutes. I'm just getting off the traffic on the highway. I'll be there soon.
Alright.
I'll let you know.
Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah. Well, we're supposed to meet by 12, but I'll be waiting 10 minutes for the person to get here. Wait, did you guys see what the highway looked like? I thought as much. So obviously it's not in any traffic on the highway. It probably, it's just late for some reasons, but it's okay. I can wait 10 minutes. That's fine.
Full time!
We finally got in the package. I'm on my way back home. Let's go home and unbox together. I'm back home and we have these two huge boxes right here. We're going to unbox them together. Okay, so this is quite heavy. No jokes. Let's see what we have inside this one. I have my knife here and cut. So the entire package is 40 kg. I think they did it as 20 kg each. 20 here, 20 in the other box. It's really big and heavy. Let's see what we have. I can perceive fish. Yay! Fish! Let me show you what I'm looking at right now. Let me show you. Here is what I am looking at. You see that? The first item here is Maggi. Yay! So this is crayfish Maggi because apparently they don't allow the chicken flavor of no on Maggi here. So I had to get the crayfish flavor. Alright guys, the next item here, look at that. Ooh. Oh guys, oh my god, this is my favorite. This is, oh no it's not. I thought it was something else. It is my favorite item here. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. This is it. I can perceive it already. You guys should guess what it is. Ew, guys, it smells so fresh. It's like this is literally just from the market. This is a lot. Ooh, this looks so good. This is what it looks like. Can you guys see that? This is just amazing. Like, I'm so happy. I can't believe I'm unboxing Nigerian foodstuffs. Hey, who's the girl? Me, unboxing Niger food. The next item, guys, is dry fish. I think it's called panla. Yeah, this is what we call panla. Though they look like, I think there are different versions of panla fish. If you guys know what it's called in English, please let me know in the comment box. Panla. And Evo is also called locust beans in English. It's a spice, kind of like a spice they use in the food, especially African soup. It's the best. Got some cream. It's like an antifungal cream, I think, or antibacterial cream. Can't remember. But it's called Fombacti. It's very popular in Nigeria. Fombacti. I got Shea Butter. Yeah. This is organic, natural shea butter, okay? Straight from Nigeria, straight from Africa. This is huge. Look at that. Guess what's next, guys? Guess what's coming? Hey! Look at that. If you guys are curious of the prices of this item and you want me to compare them to their prices here in the African stores, let me know down in the comment box below. Especially for people that are thinking like, oh, is it worth it? Should I go through all of that stress to ship something from Nigeria when I can just get it here? Let me know so that we can go through the pricing. The fish is spoiled. It has mold on it. What am I supposed to have? Like, more than a week for me to get it. My family took it to the shipping company in Nigeria on Wednesday last week. This Wednesday it wasn't here. Yesterday, Friday, I was told it just arrived. So here is the next item. It says papura. I don't know, I've never seen this one before. Mommy Victory Grand Pepper Seller. Hey! Mommy Victory Grand Pepper Seller. This is hot pepper soup ingredients from Mommy Victory. It's ewa oloyin. This is honey beans. This is curry. Okay, this is like ginger. I think this is ginger. Oh, that's so nice. That's so sweet on my mom. can't figure out what this one is. Can't figure it out yet. I would ask about it. Cameroon pepper here. It's okay, guys. So we have our yellow gari. It has poured all over the place. As you guys can see, this is open. So sad because I didn't want this to happen. Ogbono. Ogbono, guys. We have ogbono. Oh my god. We have crayfish, the tiny crayfish. Look at that. This is one thing that I'm really happy I got from Nigeria. Fish, smoked fish. This is the size of it. So this smoked catfish looks very okay. I don't know why the other one had some mold on it. Guys, we are done with the first box. Alright guys, so this is the second box. And guess what we have here? So I got some hair. First of all, I can see some rice in it. That means the local rice that I got has spilled all over the place. Oh, this is nice. Oh wow, I have more hair. Some attachment here. Everything has rice, 1 or 2 grains of rice in it. That's to show you how much the rice has spilled all over the place. Ooh, we have the yellow gari. This one is still intact, and I think I'm gonna throw the other one away. Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to use the other one. Oh, ayo ola pando yam. I love this. We have local rice. A lot of it has spilled away, and this is just what's left. White gari, everything is intact, looks good. Another white gari and clothes. Okay. Hey, I got clothes, so this is like a surprise. This is my mom's handwork. Wow. For real? This parents, I got clothes. I need to try them on. Oh yeah, not for the camera, not for the camera. Wow. Alright guys, so those are the things I got from Nigeria. Yeah, I used the shipping company called Tofa Logistics. I'm not advertising for them. They have no idea I'm doing this actually. So when I was going to ship my stuff from Nigeria, I had to contact about 3 shipping companies. There are so many shipping companies now in Canada. It's almost like a trend. So I had to contact about 3 of them, ask, their pricing and all the information I needed. So I decided to go with this one. This is my first time trying them, and it wasn't bad actually altogether. The experience wasn't bad. I'm going to leave their contact down below in case you are interested. They ship from Nigeria to Canada, and I'm not sure if they ship from Canada to Nigeria. You can ask, you can contact them if you want to. The shipping fee for the 40 kg that I got is 84,000 naira. That's like 233 Canadian dollars. Then I also paid for clearance when it got here, which was $70 for clearance for 40 kg. So the price depends on the kg. If you go with a lesser kg, to be a lesser price. So yeah, that is basically it. I'm really happy with everything that I got. It's worth it for me, and these items I'm going to use them for the next 3 months at least. I know I'll be using them for the next 3 months. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any video suggestions, please leave them down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. It will really help me. It is free for you to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to share it with other people. And if you have any questions for me, guys, I am always ready to answer your questions. So leave them down in the comment box below. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video next week. Take care. Love you. Bye.